This mailbox isn't that bad. We're going to replace it anyway. Taking it from this to this bad boy, and just a few quick, easy steps that I'll walk you through. First up, we got to take it apart, get the actual mailbox off, and disassemble the wood components. We're going to let the raid work its magic for about 10 minutes while we go inside and cool off. Next up, we got to get the post out. Phone died right as I started actually lifting it. Next up, we got to empty out any loose dirt. We then put our post in. So we don't want it like that. We don't want it like that. We want to get it at least roughly squared to the street. We're then going to pour in our concrete, something to kind of hold her still. So I'm going to give it a quick wiggle. Be glad you did this. Helps getting the air pockets out. Then we're going to bring it to plumb. So we're pretty perfectly plumb. We're going to put about 3 liters of water. You need 4 liters per bag of fast set. We're going to cut those pieces out of a brand new cedar 2x4, and then we're going to assemble it, cut it to height, and reinstall the mailbox. I'll overlay this back piece on. I'll put over here on the side a couple visuals of what it looked like as we took it apart. Now we got to remove the notches here that I drew out these and cut right along our pen marks. Our best bet is to make it a ton of small pieces. That's plenty good enough for what we're building. We need 2 of these. Line them up flush. Now we use this one to make an identical second one. Not about perfect. 2 of these. We've got this one. Since it's a 45 that goes from the post to the mailbox stand, it can be however long we want. Take it to 45 degrees. There you go. That'll work just perfect. First thing I'm going to do is cut this to about sternum height, because we want the mailbox at about belt height. Now I'm going to set my guard to a 45-degree angle again. I'm just going to cleanly put these miter cuts on here. Next thing I'll do is I'll take our old 4x4 block that holds the mailbox up and cut a new one the exact same length. Now we're going to put it at about belt height and screw through from the back. We're going to put this bad boy here and then insert these, making sure that there's enough room to get one on either side. So now I'll let these fall away. The most important thing here is to have this piece not too far left or right. A few more 3.5-inch wood screws. We will take our 2 arms, slide them all the way up as high as we can. All right, guys, continuing on. We're going to take our little miter brace and we're going to install it right up under here. This will be what the mailbox itself ultimately mounts to. Put 4 screws into our 2x4s here on the side. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to take my saw and put clean little miter cuts on either edge. So that makes the actual assembly of the structure completely done. We're done with this part for now. We're trying to get to 5,000 subscribers. When we do, I'm going to cut my long hair. Hit the like button, hit the thumbs up. And if the Lord's put it on your heart, throw me a subscribe. It means the world to the channel. I'm trying to get big enough that I can live off my YouTube ad revenue and start doing fences for people who really need them, no charge. All right, guys, I went ahead and went with the satin. Next, I'm going to take my silver numbers, paint them black. Those will go vertically down the 4x4 post. Should be a clean look. All right, we'll let those sit as well as the mailbox. Let's go stain our post. If you're sitting there watching thinking, oh, Andrew, you've been doing this for years and you got all the tools and you're super handsome and cool, I could never do that. You could do it. Obviously, there's a million things you could have done differently, done more of it or less of it, or done things a different way. That's just how I chose to build this specific one. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for your time today, guys.